Hello guys, Apple Pro here. Today I came back with another vlog. So today we are going to make a brand new vlog about parrot. So yesterday I made a vlog parrot day part 1 and part 2. So today we are gonna make a brand new vlog about parrots. But today we are gonna have something new that we are gonna make some video. Alright? So all this is his place. Look at the cloud behind me. It's a pretty cool cloud, and the building is smaller than me. So Anek is now giving a net to the parrot. All right. That is the food. So Anek is feeding the bird down there. As you can see. Can you show me what's the food? Oh, it's nuts. Anik also give the pigeons at level 1. Maybe the pigeons will come, maybe the pigeon did not come. So it will depends on the day of the pigeons, right? That's a lot.
The white pigeon. There. White pigeon. White pigeon. There.
Okay guys, as we know, these two birds that we are taking a look is done. Now we are gonna take a look at the another bird about what's the name? The name is Ocha. So we are gonna head it in there and we're gonna check out. Is he okay? How is it feeling? Well, alright. So these two birds behind me, it is okay, alright. So we are gonna check Ocha in my little brother room. It's right there. So guys, we are headed up in the room, and this is Ocha. Ocha is hiding. Ocha, you're taping. You're going into YouTube. But you're looking at me. Yeah. So today I'm just gonna make a little vlog only. So yesterday I made a very long vlog on that time. So today I'm just gonna make a very short vlog, and I'll be taping later on in the afternoon about 3 or 3:30 like yesterday. Alright, see you guys later. See you guys in the next vlog. This vlog I'm gonna head it to YouTube, and the next vlog I'm gonna make it later. Thank you, subscribe and like.